in the com box for the first inning. So Ashok ji.
थैंक यू, धन्यवाद सैगी सागर गोसावी। फाइनल का मुकाबला, अंतिम मुकाबला मैदान पर टॉस जीतकर पहले बल्लेबाजी करने का फैसला किया है कलंगुट जायंट्स क्रिकेट टीम ने। बहुत जल्द मुकाबला शुरू होने जा रहा है। पोंडा स्टार्स और उन्हीं के साथ कलंगुट जायंट्स, ये दो टीम अंतिम मुकाबले में दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग, एक बहुत ही बेहतरीन आयोजन इस टूर्नामेंट का, और वो वक्त अब आ चुका है जो फाइनल का मुकाबला अब शुरू होने जा रहा है। दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग पर्व पहला 2025 पावर्ड बाय दामू जी नाइक।
Definitely Ashok sir, we can see hurdles. Final word of the captain for his pack of players, as we have got those word of advice from none other than the prolific fielder, which we have seen in this cricketing world, that it is a team game, and we can see the team together having the final chat before they disperse to take their places on the field. So first it is going to be the power play. Just two fielders will be allowed outside the 30-yard circle. So let's say what is going to be the strategy by the fielding team. Who is going to bowl the first over, and even all are eagerly waiting for two openers to pick the best possible willow in the hand and come out in the middle and dazzle it out in the middle. So in a couple of moments, we are going to begin with the mega finals.
सेकंड सेमीफाइनल के दो मैचों की अगर बात करेंगे, लेकिन इस मुकाबले के साथ जरूर चर्चा करेंगे कि अब थोड़ी ओस गिर चुकी है आउटफील्ड पर, थोड़ी सी फील्डिंग के लिए परेशानी रहेगी। गेंदबाज को भी थोड़ा सा जो कि हाथों से गेंद बीच बीच में कहीं ना कहीं फिसलेगी, तो बिल्कुल आउटफील्ड थोड़ी सी गिली होती जा रही है।
Definitely Ashok sir, but all the teams, they have played in this tournament, they have played even under the lights. They know all the possibilities of this underlight game. So all players are well prepared, I believe. Captain have instructed all the players as what is the situation. They have already assessed the conditions. So let's see the fight for the trophy.
शानदार, खूबसूरत, चमचमाती सुंदर ट्रॉफी है इस टूर्नामेंट के साथ। किस टीम के कप्तान के हाथों में होगी? समय बाकी है अभी भी इस मैच के साथ। ओपनिंग जोड़ी आ चुकी है मैदान पर।
So two openers for Kalangut team is Saish Zore, the captain, left-handed sensational batter who is at the striker's end, and his partner Bharat Arkas at the non-striker's end. Sandesh Shakur, another veteran player, having ample of experience, bringing it out as he delivers the first delivery in the finals, and starts with a dot delivery.
लीग का फॉर्मेट समाप्त हुआ, क्वार्टर फाइनल समाप्त हुआ, लेकिन संदेश ठाकुर ने कमाल किया है अपने पावर प्ले में, गेंदबाजी में।
Another full up his delivery, but quick switch that takes the ball away from the fielder. Lovely effort. Look at that effort. What a display of fielding. Couple of inches from the boundary, jumped, timed the jump to the perfection and stopped the ball from crossing the fence. This effort is required for you to be on top.
सैकी, क्या ऊर्जा मिल गई? शहंशाह बादशाह आ चुके फील्डिंग के जो इस प्रतियोगिता में, सर जॉन्टी रोड्स, और वही से लेकर मेरे ख्याल से जो कि स्फूर्ति भी मिल गई फील्डर को।
Another delivery ball taking the outer half of the bat ball, travel towards the wide square leg region for a single, and for after that single, Bharat Arkas, who is also a devastating batter. Let's see what is going to be approached, because now we can see captain walking to him to give him the valuable advice as a shrewd bowler who has knocked many batsmen in his career, is bowling the first power play over, and now as the right-handed batter has come at the crease, decides to come left arm round the stumps. Clever bowling, I must say, from Sandesh Thakur. Knows which are the right lengths, which are the right areas that will trouble the batters and that will create a doubt in the mind of batters before slaughtering, before thinking of going big. Oh my dear, chance has been created. Sandesh at his best and the catch has been taken. Wicket goes down. Bharat back to the pavilion.
काफी निराश करते हुए अपने टीम को और खुद भी काफी निराश हो गए भरत अर्कस। बहुत सस्ते में लौटे, बहुत अच्छी गेंद और संदेश ठाकुर की हम चर्चा कर रहे थे पावर प्ले में। पिछले मैच में भी एक कैच छूटा था, नहीं तो वहीं पर भी उनको सफलता थी सेमीफाइनल के मुकाबले में, और इस मैच में पहले ओवर में एक बड़ी सफलता हासिल करते हुए और नए बल्लेबाज आ चुके हैं मैदान पर। प्रसाद किनलेकर
Successful so far. Another full up issue. Look at that ball angling away from the bat, traveling safely towards the wicketkeeper. Wonderful display of bowling by the senior bowler Sandesh Thakur. Ample of experience, knows each and every batter better than anyone. What an over, what a power play over that we have seen. Just 3 runs and a wicket.
जिस तरह से माथे पर हाथ रखे थे संदेश ठाकुर ने उस गेंद को जो कि विकेट के ऊपर से निकली, बिल्कुल करीबी मामला था। पहले ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ, एक नाजुक शुरुआत मैदान पर।
So now captain has handed over ball to Vishal. Vishal Gowde with a very short run up, I must say. As a left-handed batter is at the striker's end, definitely will be bowling right arm round. But Ashok sir, you need to focus on the batter who is at the striking end at this moment.
जी बिल्कुल सही जोर है। ओहो, बहुत अच्छी गेंद, बाहर जाने वाली गेंद का पीछा किया, बल्ले का भीतर किनारा लिया, विकेट कीपर का सहारा, और जिस विकेट की तलाश थी वो विकेट बहुत जल्द मिलती हुई टीम को। 2 ओवर का खेल समाप्त हुआ, स्कोर हुआ 8 रन 2 विकेट पर।
So legendary Sandesh Thakur continues, meanwhile a beautiful drive away from the fielder, two fielders running to gather the ball, and ample of chance for batters to complete couple of runs. So this must be a good strategy at the moment. They are trying to put the ball in the vacant areas and trying to pile up as much as possible.
थोड़ा सा अपने शायद रनअप पे एक बार फिर से वापस निकलते हुए संदेश ठाकुर लेफ्ट आर्म ओवर द विकेट गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं लेफ्ट हैंडर बैटर के लिए।
Oh my dear, ball bouncing a bit, and Snehit Panikkar doesn't have any answer for that question that was asked by Sandesh Thakur in front of him. But a good thing is he is watching the ball till the very last moment. Shuffled down the track in hunt of getting the vacant area, but manages to take the ball on the lower half of the bat. Just a single to bring his partner at the striker's end. But let's see for how long these batters are going to be quiet, because so we had a pause just because there was an interview that was happening. So we are really appreciate your patience. So we are back live. Oh my dear, straight hit. There was a chance put down by Sardev. It was a difficult, and look at the running between the wicket. Yes was the call, and immediately in the flash they have completed a couple. So we appreciate the patience of the spectators. A big thank you to you all for having patience, and now we are live back again.
ऐसे कैच बिल्कुल पकड़े नहीं, हाथों में चिपके जाते, और देखा होगा क्या हुआ वहां पर 2 रन बने स्कोर में सहदेव कांदोलकर अपने आगे निकले इस बार गेंद हवा में स्क्वायर लेग पर डीप पर फील्डर सीधे हाथों में गेंद निकलती हुई स्क्वायर लेग बाउंड्री पर फील्डर के
Fall of wicket number 3.
रिव्यू का इशारा हो चुका है जो कि पिछली गेंद के लिए तीसरे अंपायर की ओर टेनिस क्रिकेट .in से देखिए एलईडी स्क्रीन पर गेंद फुल टॉस है या बीमर है इसलिए रिव्यू ले चुके हैं कैच तो पकड़ा इससे स्क्वायर लेग बाउंड्री पर तो फेयर डिलीवरी थी और अंपायर का इशारा ओयूटी आउट तो और एक सफलता मिलती हुई टीम को
So meanwhile, to make this tournament happen, you require support from many people, a supporting hand, and a big thank you to Oxford for providing so much facilities to make this tournament possible. Oxford Logistic, a big thank you from all our wholehearted family who is organizing this tournament for your wonderful services and for your kind heart. So meanwhile, 3 wickets down and another young Turk has been promoted up the order.
16 रन 3 विकेट पर टॉस जीतकर बल्लेबाजी लेकिन सामने बहुत अच्छी ये गेंद इस बार सिंगल के लिए निकले दोनों बल्लेबाज लॉन्ग ऑन बाउंड्री से दूसरे के लिए पलटे दोनों बल्लेबाज गेंद थोड़ी से हाथों से फिसली और जब तक गेंद को फील्ड करते तब तक 2 रन बने स्कोर में और इन 2 रन के साथ टोटल पहुंचा 18 रनों पर 3 विकेट के नुकसान पर
So Ashok sir, we have seen the captain who was running very hard in the semi-finals, in the quarter-finals, and same is to be seen from his teammates as well. They are running very hard in the hunt of getting more runs, and that is working for them at the moment.
बहुत अच्छी गेंद यॉर्कर लेन की सही खेला बड़ा पर फील्डर गेंद को आते उठाते फील्ड करते और फिर से एक सिंगल बन गया स्कोर के खाते में बहुत अच्छी गेंदबाजी कर रहे 3 विकेट भी मिल चुका है तो उत्साह बुलंद हो चुका हौसला बुलंद हो चुका है मैदान पर खिलाड़ियों का
Definitely a tight line and length that has been displayed by the bowlers of Fonda Stars. Meanwhile, shuffling slightly outside the off stump to get that elevation. Ball has been pitched down the leg stump. Wide is the signal from the umpire. Extra adding up to the total. With that, team total moves to 20. Meanwhile, a just flick of wrist, placing the ball into the corner region. 2 is the call. Slight fumble. This is the reason why even the experts are saying to the kids, stick to your basics. Run first run as hard as possible. Cover the distance as quick as possible so that if there is a fumble or there is a chance, definitely you are going to get the reward in form of another run. So this is Gumdeshwar strategic timeout for 3 minutes. where both the teams will be having some chats, having to discuss the strategies as how to carry on the inning from here on. And meanwhile, I would like to invite another sweet voice from North Goa, who is also called the voice of North Goa, Sham Kalangudkar, to join in the combox along with Ashok Ji Naik.
Thank you, Segi.
Thank you, D. So now it's time to appreciate as we call out Mr. Viraj Desai as he has got the highest views. So a special prize for Viraj Desai as his team aim, and they have got the highest views in this tournament. So requesting Shri Digambar Kamath sir to kindly do the honors. So Viraj Desai have got the highest views and he has been felicitated at the moment. Over to Combox.
Thank you, Sagar. 22 for 3, 4 overs done. Certainly in trouble right now, the Kalangur Giants. Viresh AGM nicely flicked away towards the cover region by Nagbhushan. Nagbhushan and Mr. Panikar. Can he be the panicker in the middle to create that some bit of panic in the minds of Ponda Stars? Ponda Stars bossing this game right now, but you never know. Cricket is a game of some uncanny moments. This time trying for the big hoik on the onside, missed out, a top edge. Very lucky to go over Chandan Naik. Gets the single, score moves on to 24. Ashok sir, we have been doing commentary for so many years now. We've learned from you. Harish Pandya sir also here. Harish Kakodkar sir here. Sagar also in the team. Nicely played. Again, a bit of fumble from the man from Dargar. But it's fine. Just a single. There's so many games that we have seen. Too many times that we have seen this kind of situations. What do you think? Where the Kalangur Giants will be happy with? What kind of score they will be happy with?
एक बड़े शॉट के लिए निकले थे, लेकिन टाइमिंग उतना अच्छा नहीं हुआ गेंद और बल्ले के बीच का। लेग बाइज का इशारा और लेग बाइज के साथ सिंगल बढ़ गया स्कोर के खाते में। दबाव वाला मुकाबला है बिल्कुल, क्योंकि विकेट बहुत जल्द खो चुके हैं, रन भी नहीं बन रहे हैं स्कोर बोर्ड पर। तो दोनों बल्लेबाज सिंगल डबल के साथ शायद सोच होगी कि आखिरी दौर में कोई बड़े शॉट खेले मैदान पर।
Sai Zora explaining about 60 to 65 would be a good total at the toss. And if they get that kind of score from the remaining 4, meaning another exact, to be precise, 19 deliveries, would be really good. Influential. And nicely played off the back foot from Nagbhushan Gaonkar. Will just be one, will retain the strike. 5 overs done, 26 for the loss of 3. 27 for the loss of 3 after 5. And from the next 3 overs, they still do have these two left-handers who are known to use those long handles to good effect. And also the switch hit can be played. We've seen Nagbhushan do it. Can he do it tonight? Where it matters most will be the question.
अब तक की अगर बात की जाए तो 27 रन 5 ओवर का खेल, सिर्फ 18 गेंदों का खेल बाकी है। लेकिन शाम 60 के आसपास अगर पहुंची, 60-62, एक अच्छा मैच होगा मैदान पर निश्चित रूप से, क्योंकि रात का समय है, डी फैक्टर है, उसी के साथ बिल्कुल आउटफील्ड पर थोड़ी सी जो कि मुश्किल हो रही है फील्डरों को गेंदबाजों को भी थोड़ा सा मुश्किल हो रहा है और इसी बीच बॉलिंग में परिवर्तन होता हुआ कमेंट्री बॉक्स की ओर से।
This is a gamble, sir. This is an absolute gamble as Sahadev has been given the ball. He is a left armer and two left-handers in operation now. Maybe that angle which brings in could be just helped on its way and could be sent in the crowd. That could be one worry as well. But wickets lost, they could just might think that why don't we just play out the over and try and explore in the next two, the remaining two. But it becomes more often than not that younger players, and whenever the time is in the middle, they just express themselves. 27 for 3. They are certainly looking at 60-65. More than that will be always a plus. That's cover driven nicely towards the fielder and will just pick up one. Will just be one. Ashok sir, your views on how well the Ponda Stars have bowled tonight?
एक बेहतरीन ऑफ ड्राइव लेकिन उतनी शानदार फील्डिंग और एक सिंगल बन गया स्कोर के खाते में। अगली गेंद थोड़ा सा ऑन द राइज खेलना चाहते थे लेकिन फिर से उतना अच्छा टाइमिंग गेंद और बल्ले के बीच नहीं दिखाई दिया और धीरे धीरे आते हुए सहदेव अपने हल्के से मोड़ा गेंद को ऑन साइड पर, फील्डर दूर है, पहला रन बड़ी तेजी के साथ दूसरे के लिए पलटे और फिर से थोड़ी सी परेशानी हुई जो कि वो सफाई के साथ गेंद को नहीं उठा पाए और मोहित गांवकर तेजी के साथ जरूर आए थे लेकिन सफाई के साथ गेंद को कलेक्ट नहीं कर पाए और जब तक गेंद को उठाती तब तक दूसरा रन पूरा किया दोनों बल्लेबाजों ने।
Switch hit, but will avail just one. Down to the seasoned veteran Sandesh Thakur. How well he has bowled tonight. What game. It can take you to the instance where in that quarter final where that boundary touching rope and that moment has completely changed the fortunes. That is a biggie. But the fielder is getting underneath. Taken. Another wicket falls. Well, I was talking about it is a gamble to bowl a left armer, but this left armer, Sahadev, has picked up a wicket, and that too of Nagbhushan Gaonkar.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have got Mr. Shakil Ahmed with us, जिन्होंने ये खूबसूरत गाना आपके सामने रखा, दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग लिविंग द ड्रीम। जब मैं कल मुंबई वापस जाऊंगा ये गाना 5-6 दिन तक सुबह नाश्ता करते समय खाते समय शकील भाई आपका चेहरा आएगा और आपने किल कर दिया भाई, बहुत ही छाड़, एकदम हैदराबादी एक्सेंट में बोलूँ तो। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर गिविंग योर वॉइस टू दिस ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग एंड वी वेलकम यू वंस अगेन। थैंक यू। We are also thankful to Oxford, our logistics partner, who have done a brilliant job. Oxford group of companies, Bunty Bhai and team, एकदम seamless हमारे लिए उन्होंने logistics की व्यवस्था की, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।
Thank you so much, sir. But another wicket has fallen. 31 for 5, half side done packing of the Collingwood Giants.
बैटिंग पावर प्ले का इशारा और स्कोर टोटल रुका हुआ 31 रन 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर। 6 ओवर का खेल, आने वाले सिर्फ 12 गेंदों का खेल बाकी। सेमीफाइनल का पहला मुकाबला ठीक ठाक रहा, लेकिन दूसरा मैच एक तरफी मुकाबला रहा। फाइनल का मुकाबला दर्शकों में उम्मीद है एक बहुत अच्छा मैच हो जाए, यादगार रहे। दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग पावर्ड बाय दामुजी नाइक। इस अंतिम मुकाबला जाते जाते घर के समय में बिल्कुल चर्चा रहेगी मन में, लेकिन देखना होगा। अभी भी बिल्कुल बल्लेबाजी में संघर्ष हो रहा है मैदान पर।
Yes, certainly. Wickets lost. 5 wickets lost by the Kalangur Giants. At this toss, they said 60 would be a good total, 60, 65, and now it becomes very difficult to get another 29 in the remaining two. Here's Viresh Asiam. Shimmy down the wicket, missed out. Again, trying to whack that one on the onside. Maybe over mid wicket or corner. Completely missed it.
विरेश एजीएम सामने दूर वाले छोर से अपने लंबे रनअप पर अगली गेंद लेकर स्कोर रुका हुआ 31 पर।
It's gone over. And very well done again. Sandesh Thakur is behind everything. Score moves to 32.
गेंद थोड़ी सी हरकत कर रही थी, फील्डर को फंसा रही थी, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा पूर्वानुमान संदेश ठाकुर का और एक सिंगल पर संतुष्ट होना पड़ा दोनों बल्लेबाजों को। 32 पर पहुंचा टोटल स्कोर 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
New man in, young wounded Mukund, giving his 100% to the team. Was wounded in that semi-final and now bandaged his nose and he's back again on the park. Switch hit, but switch hit will just get him one at the point. Another single taken. 33 runs are very hard to come by at this stage for the Kalangur Giants.
Check. Thank you.
Again looking to access the onside, missed out. Fabulous bit of bowling this, following the batsman. Leg by is a single given by the umpire. 33 for 5, 34 for 5, and it's completely taken over by the Ponda Stars. They have certainly brightened the arena tonight. That will be wide. Extras. This will definitely help the Kalangur Giants. Chandan Naik behind the stumps as a wicketkeeper. How well he has played. How well this entire Ponda team has played. Well, the fuel that was given. Again down the ground, and that's gone through. That will be a boundary. Much needed boundary for the Kalangur Giants. Shimmy down the wicket and gone through the hands of the fielder at mid-off.
बड़ी देर के बाद एक चौका मिला स्कोर के खाते में और इन 4 रन के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा टोटल 39 रन पर 5 विकेट के नुकसान पर।
39 for 5. This being the 7th over, one more to follow. Snehit along with Mukund in the middle. Nicely played. Down to the cover boundary. Very well done. Coming back for the second, and that's terrific running by these two. How quickly they have run. This has been the hallmark of this team, Kalangur Giants, throughout the tournament, throughout the DPL powered by Shri Damuji Naik.
शाम चर्चा कर रहे थे 62, 65, 70 की चर्चा कर रहे थे, लेकिन अब स्कोर रुका हुआ वहीं पर जो कि टोटल 39, 41 39 से 2 रन बने तो 41 पर पहुंचा है। क्या 50 52 55 के आसपास जाएगी आने वाले ओवर में? जिस तरह से गेंदबाजी हो रही है, बल्लेबाजी हो रही है, शायद मुश्किल बन रहा है। बड़ी देर के बाद पिछले ओवर में एक चौका जरूर लगा और देखना होगा फिलहाल गेंदबाजी में क्या परिवर्तन होता है। कमेंट्री बॉक्स की ओर से मोहित गांवकर आ चुके, जिनका बिल्कुल बड़ा योगदान निश्चित रूप से यहां पर अपने टीम को लाने के लिए फाइनल में बहुत अच्छा स्पेल किया था।
Mohit Gaonkar has come on. And that's been pulled away in the air, taken by the fielder. Well, another wicket falls. This time it's Snehit Panikkar. Trying to up the ante in the last over. Has gone into the hands of the backward square leg fielder. Well, talking about the viewership, the tenniscricket.in has done a terrific job. There is no India icon, only Goan players that have taken the center stage in this DPL 2025 powered by Sri Damuji Naik. More than 1 lakh people have watched it. So big achievement that has been crossed.
नए बल्लेबाज आ चुके हैं मैदान पर, संकेत जोरे। मोहित गांवकर अपने बॉलिंग मार पर सफलता दिलाते हुए अंतिम ओवर। इस बार ऑन साइड पर खेलना चाहते थे, मिस टाइम शॉट गेंद निकली कवर पॉइंट पर और एक सिंगल के साथ अपना लेग बाइज का इशारा अंपायर का, 1 रन और जुड़ गया टीम के स्कोर के खाते में और इस सिंगल के साथ स्कोर आगे बढ़ा 42 पर 6 विकेट पर।
42 for 6, remaining 4 deliveries. Again, trying to just be cute, but can't. Another dot delivery. The bowlers have done a terrific job in this grand finale of the Ponda Stars. Their owner, their captain will be very happy, very pleased with the proceedings so far. Again, this time can't get it through, can't get it past Mohit Gaonkar. Just one more added, makes it to 43. Last 2 deliveries in this innings.
तैतालीस रन टोटल स्कोर। फ्लैटेड गेंद इस बार फिर से हवा में, मिड विकेट पर फील्डर, और इसी के साथ और एक कामयाबी मिलती हुई टीम को। गेंदबाजों ने मेरे ख्याल से शाम इस मैच में अपना काम किया है। एक बहुत अच्छी गेंद, नियंत्रित गेंदबाजी, फील्डिंग ने भी बहुत अच्छा साथ दिया। इस टूर्नामेंट में दंबा प्रीमियर लीग पर्व पहला पावर्ड बाय दामोजी नाइक, पूरे ऑर्गेनाइजर कमेटी के हम बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद व्यक्त करेंगे, आभार। इतनी बड़ी प्रतियोगिता में हमें कमेंट्री के लिए मौका शाम इन सभी ने दिया, तो बिल्कुल हम आप सभी के शुक्रगुजार हैं।
Definitely they have provided that support, that fueling that they have done for all of us. Well, it's not over yet. Still 1 innings is remaining and a delivery is left. 43 on the scorecard. Saniket on strike. Can he get a maximum and make it to 49 so that 50 will be the target in this grand finale? Saish Zore mentioned they have a good bowling lineup, they have a good fielding unit. Can they restrict them later on? Looking for a big hike, missed out. And looks like the television umpire will get busy. after it. So far, they tried. Let's hope that it is fine, but you never know. The keeper has done his job. We'll just have to wait for the umpire's verdict. Whether later on, you can see on the replay, trying to slog it, missed it completely. Missing it. Behind was searching for the ball. And then, yes, that could be the signal. Just waiting for the umpires for confirmation. 43 on the scorecard. And it's given as a wicket. So it is 43 for 8 after the 8 overs. Sai Zore winning the toss, deciding to bat first. And he only went early for 3. Baradarkas disappointed again.
Check.
Prasad 5. Snehit was the top scorer with 15. Well, rest of the batting card looks like a phone number. 43 for the loss of 8 wickets in their 8 overs. Terrific piece of bowling. Mohit Gaonkar in that last over. So did Sandesh Thakur at the start. Completely applied the brakes on this batting attack of Kalangur Giants.
गेंदबाजों ने काम किया. एकमात्र बल्लेबाज जिसने डबल फिगर में 2 अंकों में स्कोर बनाया. 43 रन टोटल, 44 का लक्ष्य है. और जैसे ही दूसरी इनिंग की शुरुआत होगी, कम बॉक्स में आवाज सर हरीश काकोड़कर और उन्हीं के साथ सर जुड़ जाएंगे, औसम भाई जो जुड़ जाएंगे.
चेक. अरे भेजो ना यार. कहाँ है माँ की? अरे कहाँ गया कैमरा बन गया? Requesting check. Check. Requesting the cameraman to please report to the commentary box.
Okay, before फुडलो जो क्वेश्चन ओसम हुसेन घेतलो ताच्या पयलीं विदाउट कॅमेरा सुद्दां हांव हांगा सगळ्यांक एक क्वेश्चन करता. ओके, ओन्ली फॉर दी ऑर्गनायझींग टीम आनी आमचे जे गेस्ट हांगा आसात ह्या अरिना भितर तांच्या खातीर क्वेश्चन. आनी जो कोण पयलीं हांगा येतलो आनी सांगतलो ताका हे इनाम मेळटलें. द वन हू इज गोइंग टू कम फास्ट एंड टेल दी आन्सर्स ऑन द मायक वील गेट दीस अवॉर्ड. ओके, सगळे हांगा लेडीज आसा. क्वेश्चन जर क्रिकेट खबर आसा जाल्यार सामको इजी आसा आनी आन्सरूय सामकें इजी आसा. बारीकशी नॉलेज जाय, चड व्हडली नॉलेज गरज ना. थंय आमच्या गेस्टा खातीर. ओके, T20 करियरा भितर एकूय बॉल लिगल बॉल घालनासतना, लिगल बॉल घालना तरी पूण विकेट मेळ्ळी. हो बॉलर कोण? फर्स्ट आपल्या बॉलाक लिगल बॉल घालनासतना विकेट T20 करियरान घेतिल्लो बॉलर कोण? कम हांगा यो आनी सांग मातसो प्लीज. येस गेस्ट. येस,
विराट कोहली.
येस, इट इज विराट कोहली. केविन पिटरसनाची विकेट, एकूय बॉल घालनाशिल्लो, बॉल वायड आशिल्लो आनी MS धोनीन स्टंप काडिल्लो. केविन पिटरसन आउट जाल्लो आनी हे तुका प्रायज फावो जाला. तुजें नांव सगळ्यांक सांग.
नितेश सावंत.
हितेश सावंताक हे प्रायज फावो जाला. कॉंग्रेच्युलेशन्स तुका.
अरे वो है कहाँ, भाग रहा कहाँ है?
आनी एक क्वेश्चन जाय बारीक सो. ओके, डॉमेस्टीक क्रिकेट, आमची डॉमेस्टीक जी क्रिकेट आसात तातूंत भितर एकूय फाटी आउट जायनासतना मॅक्झिमम एवरेज, मॅक्झिमम रन्स कोणे काडल्या? एकूय फाटी आउट जायनासतना म्हणल्यार जितले मॅक्झिमम रन्स विदाउट गेटिंग आउट पण मॅक्झिमम रन्स इन हिस्ट्री ऑफ रणजी क्रिकेट विदाउट गेटिंग आउट. मॅक्झिमम टाइम नॉट आउट उरलो तो आणि एव्हरेज सुपर हाय. ताजा रिकॉर्ड अजून कोणे. येस, मीडिया इज नॉट अलाउड. दिस इज फॉर ऑल आवर गेस्ट. हांगा यो सांग. Wrong answer. Wasim Jafar is one of the greatest player from India, but it is not correct answer. Yes, guest. हे कळपाक जाय तुमकां. Without getting out, continuous run काडले, not out. सेंचुरीचे सेंचुरी आणि अजून पर्यंत तो रिकॉर्ड अबाधित आसा. ओके, कोणा खबर आसा? And because of that, he got a chance back in the Indian team. There is one hint दिता तुमकां.
हरीश काकोड़कर जी, एक ही मिनट लूंगा. किसी व्यक्ति का खोया हुआ वॉलेट हमारे सिक्योरिटी स्टाफ को मिला है. एक इंसान का खोया हुआ वॉलेट हमारे सिक्योरिटी स्टाफ को मिला है.
विशांत बाबू यो.
अगर किसी का वॉलेट नहीं है वो पहचान देके ले जाए. थैंक यू सो मच ISF फॉर योर विजिलेंट आईज. थैंक यू.
येस, विशांत बाबान आन्सर केल्ले आसा. करुण नायर लास्ट सिजनाक जो रिकॉर्ड केल्लो तो कंटिन्युअस जवळपास 6 सेंचुरी डबल सेंचुरी मारून ताणें हो रिकॉर्ड मारलो आसा. नॉट आउट आणि हो अजून पर्यंत हो बिगेस्ट रिकॉर्ड इन रणजी क्रिकेट हिस्ट्री आणि हे प्राइज फावो जाता.
Well, thank you, Harish. That was a fun session from your side. Now I'll be taking the proceedings further. Question. I have a question for you guys. अगर आप सही जवाब देंगे तो आपको यहां पर गिफ्ट मिलेगा DPL 2025 की ओर से. The question is, who is the batsman who has scored the highest individual score in Test? What is your name? Abhishek. Answer is?
Brian Lara.
Congratulations, Brian Lara is the right answer. 400 runs in the international Test career. Thank you so much for being a part of this lovely contest.
Thank you, Awesome. Now we are heading into the finals. Well, not a big total has been posted here on the board so far. We'll take the question in between the overs. Before that, we have got a very good finals on our head. Yes, I can understand the total is not good, but I think everyone must have seen the 1983 World Cup, where 183 was posted by the Indian team. No one in the world believed that they could win from that unbelievable and position. They were up against 2 times world champions West Indies, and only one they believed is themselves that they can beat the strongest side at that point of time. It was the great team with back-to-back titles. 183 was defended and the history was created by the Indian team. It was the lowest total that was defended in the 50 or 55 over format, and that is what they got to believe, this team, that we can win from not such a high total, just 44 runs required, but it's the belief that can conquer anything. Yes, in the air, they should be taken. Oh, that should have been spectacular. Almost close to spectacular. What a brilliant effort. Diving towards his right hand side. He has hurt himself, but I think the agony was more about dropping the catch rather than hurting himself. Snehit Palikar. This is what we require in the field. Is pushing on the offside. Another run out chance directed. I think he's gone. He's gone there. It has been the fought on top. Looks to be close, but they are celebrating. But the decision is yet to become. It is always commentator who believe from this side, or is he walking back? Yes, pushing
He's
on the
walking
offside,
back.
another run up. What is happening there? He believed that there was no run, there was a call, but a brilliant start here given by the young team. And that's why Sai Zore wanted a young team, young blood to infuse him and infuse the passion within themselves. And that is what they are creating. They know that they are up against the wall here, but you got to fight it out, and that is out. That's gone. First wicket taken is 3 for 1. इनबॉक्स प्रसाद हल्ले ऑल्सो नोट हमका एक वी हैव गॉट अ वॉलेट हियर हमको यहाँ पे वॉलेट मिला है इसके that's a lovely square cut, very strong. He is a very good leather ball cricketer, and he puts the ball nicely carving onto the offside of the front foot and gets a couple of runs. A good start here for Kalangur Giants. It's the end of first over. It's 5 for the loss of 1.
check.
हांगा एक वॉलेट मेळिल्लें आसा वॉलेट ताचें नांव आसा रोहन ओके प्लीज टू नोट हांगा पयशे बी आसात आनी थोडी कार्डां आसात रोहन यू हैव लॉस्ट योर वॉलेट आपका वॉलेट मेरे पास है यहाँ पे कमेंट्री बॉक्स में आप आके यहाँ पे ले सकते हो
check.
Oh, to awesome.
check. Thank you so much. यहाँ पर एक सवाल पूछने आया हूं आप सबसे, आपका हो गया ऑलरेडी. वो कौन सी टीम है, दो टीमें जो अभी एक आइकॉनिक सीरीज चलती है उन दोनों के बीच में, नाम बताइए उस सीरीज का. ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड के बीच में जो सीरीज होती है, नाम क्या आपका? आकर्ष रायकर. आकाश रायकर ने ये सही जवाब दिया है. एशेज जो आइकॉनिक सीरीज होती है, टेस्ट सीरीज, आपको ये प्राइज मिलता है. थैंक यू सो मच. एक और सवाल मैं आपसे पूछूंगा. इंडियन विमेन्स क्रिकेट टीम ने अभी वर्ल्ड कप जीता है, कैप्टन कौन थी? हरमनप्रीत कौर. जिस आपका नाम बेटे?
अंबर.
अंबर ने एक और प्राइज जीता है यहाँ पर. कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन अंबर. थैंक यू सो मच. ओवर टू हरीश.
Yes, thank you, awesome. Yes, now we are moving into Sanket. Saniket Palkar. Sanket Zode has bowled a decent over, picks up the first wicket in the form of run out. That was a very good start, but they need to keep on taking the wickets. Well, nothing wrong. The decision was absolutely not wrong in opting to bat first. It's just that the bowlers were very much experienced and skilled. Looking to scoop the ball, very nicely done. Just walking across the stumps and scooping it towards a fine for a couple of runs. That's what is required. Just moving the scoreboard slowly and steadily. So many eyes are watching. Who is going to be the champion here? Neil Armstrong was the first one to land on moon. Everyone remembers that. But who is going to be the first team that is going to grab their hands on this coveted and prestigious trophy of Damba Premier League? The first one is always remembered. It was the Indian team that won the 2007 T20 World Cup. that is always remembered. And now this squad, these 11 players and the name of the team is going to be remembered for lifetime, but you got to fight it out. Chipped in the air just away from the fielder. Well, it was very close, not convincing. You can see they are checking the drives. They are not a confident drive. They are not pushing hard. The feet is not moving. Slightly circumspect at this stage. And that is the pressure of the finals. And that is where the legends are born. The one who always be remembered for that brilliant innings that lifted us the crown in 2011 World Cup. The great MS Dhoni, walking ahead of Yuvraj Singh. Once again, nicely clipped on off his pads, off his legs, and gets a single down towards the square leg region. So far, it's a steady approach, cautious start. They know this target is not much. We have seen and remember the game of Kurcherem champions and the same Ponda Stars team. Well, they were under tremendous pressure. The 8 wickets had gone down at that point of time, but the experience Sandesh Thakur and Chandan saved the day for the 9th wicket partnership. A great save, knocked him over right in the middle stump. I told you they are circumspect. They are not sure whether to go the aggressive way or the defensive mode. And this young team strikes second one. Saniket Palkar strikes. Is 9 for the loss of 2. So 2 wickets taken. They need to take 8 more. Mohit Gavkar walks in and once again circumspect. Well, not sure. This is not a shot of Mohit Gavkar. So much of pressure. You can understand what is going inside. He must have played n number of finals in his career. But this has got to be a special one in every cricketer of Goa. No outsider has been invited or has been registered here in the Dabba Premier League. This stage has been given, this platform has been given, this arena has been given only to local talent. Looking for a single run out. No, he was sent back. He was sent back. And that is another successful over here. They bring in a wicket. 2 was gone. Is 10 on the board for the loss of 2. Over to Awesome.
Check, check. चेक क्वेश्चन सुन लो जो ये आगे वाला क्वेश्चन वाला है उसको एक गिफ्ट मिलेगा. द क्वेश्चन इज ये जो DPL 2025 हो रहा है इसको एक स्पोर्ट्स कंपनी मैनेज कर रही है. वो कंपनी का नाम क्या है? दामबा प्रीमियर लीग 2025 पावर्ड बाय श्री दामू नायक जी। ये टूर्नामेंट जिसको मैनेज किया जा रहा है, एक स्पोर्ट्स कंपनी का तरफ से मैनेज किया जा रहा है, वो स्पोर्ट्स कंपनी का नाम क्या है? नीचे आके बोलना पड़ता, नीचे आना। जल्दी। डीपीएल 2025 सीजन 1 को जो स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट कंपनी मैनेज कर रही है, उस स्पोर्ट्स कंपनी का नाम।
पेट्रोमैन।
आपका नाम?
गंगाधर।
गंगाधर। पेट्रोमैन स्पोर्ट्स मैनेजमेंट इज द राइट आंसर। एंड यहाँ पर गंगाधर को मिलता हुआ ये खूबसूरत हैम्पर डीपीएल 2025 का बाबू जी नलिनी कैटरर्स के देंगे, जो गंगाधर उनके साथ जुड़े हैं। थैंक यू सो मच। एक लास्ट
That is a huge one. That's one of the biggest six that we have witnessed in Damba Premier League. What a shot here from Mohit Gaokar. Snehit Palikar. Snehit Palikar comes and he has been greeted with a tremendous strike. Slightly short and he was into the position, pulls it away in disdain. No mercy for the bowler. And that is what Mohit Gaokar is famous for. Yeah, he can nudge the ball, but you got to also show the other side. Come hard against the bowler rather than a little skeptical about your movements. The thought process just defines from an ordinary to the great. Another short ball that's also been pulled away and pulled away in style. Back-to-back sixes here. You cannot surprise someone as caliber of Mohit Gaokar with those short balls. These 2 sixes define, and it's a defining moment in these finals. Mohit Gaokar has certainly showed it's better to cut loose here, better to open the arms rather than be skeptical about the things. If you want to be crowned as the champions, Ponda, certainly known as the powerhouse of cricket, they have beaten some of the strongest teams in the side. Kalangur Giants have showcased some exuberance of the youth, resilient force they have been, but finally it's about crowning the champions. It's the belief, it's the strength, and it's the moment that you captured. Over the top, this might be one more. He is going hard after the bowlers. This looks to be getting over early. Mohit Gaokar is on full roll, in full form. Check. 26. I think these 3 shots are the knockout punch. It's the knockout punch of Muhammad Ali, who has knocked down so many. And Mohit Gaokar's 3 shots have certainly pulled all the sting out from the fielders and the captain. He once again goes hard, did not time it that well. Might run down. Well fielded, is running for the 2, is running hard, looking for a run out, but his campers, you know, this happens when that trophy is in front of your eyes.
Check.
This trophy in front of your eyes, as well as
Check. Sharish. Well, this is the last award or the gift we can say that we are having, and we are here with one of the female spectators, a fan of cricket. I have a question for you. We have got one last gift, and the question is, we recently won, the women's Indian cricket team recently won the World Cup, but the semi-final match which we won against Australia, who was the player of the match in that game?
Laura? No. That is Australia's team or the Indian team?
Indian team.
Okay.
Who was the player of the match when we beat Australia in the semi-finals?
Jemima Rodriguez?
Yeah, Jemima Rodriguez was the player of the match in the semi-finals. Congratulations, you have won the gift. What is your name, please?
Janelle.
Junel, thank you so much for being a part of this one. A gift hamper to you from Damba Premier League 2025 season 1 powered by Shri Damunagi. Thank you so much.
So at the end of
Well-
3 overs, the score is 29 for the
Over
loss
to
of
Harish.
29 for the loss of 2 wickets, now just 15 runs away. I think we talked about the young side, we talked about the experienced side, seasoned campaigners like Chandan Naik. How many years he has been playing cricket. Sandesh Thakur, one of the premium all-rounders of Goa. What a moment it will be. He has got so many crowns for him, playing for Goa Police, playing for so many franchises. Mohit Gaonkar, the superstar from Marshall and from Ponda region, he's been taken as the icon player. He believed that some experience, some youth are definitely going to be a force to reckon. It's the experienced Rupesh Vedi, the young Prasad Halle, who is right now giving company to Mohit. Saroj Thakur, Akshay Naik, Viresh Ajiam, hailing from Sheldon region, is a part, an integral part of this team. Sheldon Blasters have won so many, but here this is going to be a special moment for him as well. Avinash Navelkar, Sahdev Kandolkar, Vishal Gowde, Prathamesh Naik, and the captain Ajay Yadav. There were so many their experience to take the role of captaincy, but the pressure of taking the captaincy in Damba Premier League was taken on his shoulders by Ajay Gowde. Ajay Yadav, beg your pardon, and he has certainly showcased that in spite of having that young mind, fresh mind, he is certainly captain as a skipper. He has really excelled. This will be a special moment for all these players in their lifetime, and also Vishan Naik, Sanmesh, who are always in the game of cricket, whether they are winning or whether they are losing, is always the support for the game, the love for the game, the passion for the game. Taking the Goan cricket to higher levels was always their aim, and I think finally that hard work will come true. Dreams are finally realized by the hard work. Dreams are realized by your dedication. This is a great dream which will be worth coming true here for all the owners and as well as all the players. I'm being joined here by, this is in the air, this should be out, yes. And it's a wicket gone down, and awesome. It was amazing to be giving a voice alongside you, the voice of Hyderabad, coming here, flowing all the way. And you must have certainly seen many of the young Goan talent. And what is your thought process and what is your thought in the entire Damba Premier League?
जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद हरीश, पहले तो आपका यहाँ पर वेलकम करने के लिए गोवा में डाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग 2025 के पहले संस्करण में, जिसको आयोजित किया गया है श्री दामू जी नायक की ओर से। और इतने बड़े प्लेटफॉर्म पर इतना बड़ा स्टेज सजाना केवल गोवन क्रिकेटर्स के लिए ये एक अचीवमेंट है, ये एक अपने ही आप में एक अद्भुत सक्सेस मैं मानता हूं, कामयाबी मैं मानता हूं। यहां से जिस हिसाब का, जिस प्रकार का माहौल यहां पर सजाया गया है, फ्लड लाइट्स के नीचे आपको चमचमाती हुई वहां पे एलईडी स्टंप्स आपको नजर आती हैं, और सेमीफाइनल्स और फाइनल्स के चलते आपको रिव्यूज भी अवेलेबल किए गए हैं। और जिस तरीके से यहाँ पर इंटरैक्शन हुआ है गोवन के दर्शकों के साथ, मैं तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा पूरी गोवन क्राउड का, जिन्होंने इतने बढ़िया रिस्पॉन्सेस से हमें यहाँ पर इस टूर्नामेंट को एक अलग रूप दिया है, एक अलग रंग दिया है। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल द पीपल ऑफ गोवा फॉर बीइंग अ पार्ट।
And here comes Chandan. That's nicely played over the covers, and he finds the fielder. That's been dropped. Can you believe that was a seater? Dedanathan Chandan, as is popularly called in Goa, just plays a cover drive, lofts it in the air. This should have been taken, but I think they have lost it in the mind.
ये बिल्कुल वो एक डॉली कैच था यहां पर थर्ड अंपायर को रिफर किया गया है, ऐसा कुछ इशारा वहां पर मिलता हुआ ऑन फील्ड अंपायर की ओर से। जी नहीं, ओवर का इशारा दिया गया है वहां पर। थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन चलता हुआ बीच में ऑन फील्ड पर, लेकिन अभी सारी चीजें आईने की तरह साफ होती हुई।
One ball remaining. Here comes the next ball. There is certainly a deafening silence in the camp of Kalangur Giants, but take nothing away. You have really worked hard up till this point of time, beaten some of the strongest side. You have definitely not failed here, but it's definitely a success for all this young team. You have certainly entered into the finals, one of the biggest tournament ever. Biggest ever tournament in Goa, Damba Premier League, with a coveted trophy as well as a prize money of 6 lakh at stake here. Nothing wrong in winning the toss and opting to bat first. I think most of the cricket experts will have certainly taken batting first. But this is definitely not a failure. The only time you fail is when you fall down and stay down. But you should believe that you should rise. And it's a big thank you from my side, giving me the opportunity here to give voice to all the Goan players in Damba Premier League. I'm thankful to Sri Damu Naik as well as Sri Digambar Kamath sir and entire management of Petroman, Tanvir Bhai, Tanu Bhai as well as Arif Bhai, my friend Aslam and entire team for giving the opportunity. And I'll see you from the commentary box and hand over the mic for the further updates to Awesome Hussain.
धन्यवाद हरीश। इस बार हवाई फायर किया है, फील्डर आएंगे नीचे, वहां पर इंटरेस्टेड है फील्डर और ले भी जाएंगे एक कैच। एक और यहां पर कहानी में ट्विस्ट आता हुआ, एक और सफलता अपने नाम करती हुई। रन का टारगेट था है और जीतने के लिए चाहिए केवल 10 रन। इस बार खेल जाओ से आते ही एक्स्ट्रा कवर्स के क्षेत्र में गेंद बाउंड्री लाइन की ओर बढ़ती हुई और 4 रन मिल जाएंगे। बहुत ही बढ़िया शुरुआत अपने खाते की करते हुए यहां पर वीरेश एक वीरता के साथ एक पैमाना यहां पर सेट किया है, एक पैगाम यहां भेजा है कलंगुट जायंट्स को कि मैं आया हूं तो मैच फिनिश करके जाऊंगा। फाइनल्स यहां पर दाम्बा प्रीमियर लीग 2025 के पहले संस्करण का एक और गेंद, एक और बढ़िया शॉट, लेकिन थोड़ी सी मिसफील्ड होती हुई। दूसरे रन की मांग की है वीरेश ने, लेकिन वापस भेज देंगे उन्हें। केवल एक रन आता हुआ। अभी जीतने के लिए चाहिए केवल 5। क्या यह बड़ा शॉट हो सकता है? क्या ये 6 रन के साथ इतिहास रच सकता है खिलाड़ी? की कगार पर खड़ी हुई, वो इतिहास रचने की कगार पर खड़ी हुई, एक ऐतिहासिक जीत में इतिहास के पन्नों में अपना नाम दर्ज करने के लिए खड़ी हुई है। रिवर्स स्वीप खेला है इस बार, 1 रन मिल जाएगा। इतिहास रच दिया है पोंडा स्टार्स ने। आज की शाम गोवा की सरजमी पर एक ही नाम गूंजेगा और वो है पोंडा स्टार्स, चैंपियन ऑफ DPL 2025 सीजन 1, पावर्ड बाय श्री दामू जी नायक।